Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday evening, December 16, 2025, and we have a lineup of technology headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. DATAGROUP initiates delisting procedure on the Munich Stock Exchange. DATAGROUP SE has initiated the delisting procedure on the Munich Stock Exchange, aiming to operate as a private company for increased strategic flexibility. Investors will not have the opportunity to sell their shares during or after the delisting. Shareholders looking to sell should consider doing so before the delisting. After delisting, trading volume is expected to decline significantly, limiting trading opportunities. DATAGROUP, a leading German IT service provider, employs 3,700 individuals and offers full-service support for IT workplaces. The company is actively growing through acquisitions and is known for effectively integrating new entities into its operations.
Search Atlas Website Studio AI-driven landing pages for high-converting PPC. Search Atlas announced the launch of Website Studio, a platform that creates high-quality landing pages in minutes. Website Studio combines conversion-optimized PPC pages, instant website cloning, and a flexible free mode builder. CEO Manik Bond stated that Website Studio gives marketers ready-to-launch pages that match the pace of their campaigns. The platform analyzes ad copy, clones competitor pages, and offers creative control for unique experiences. This removes bottlenecks and makes landing page execution accessible to all. Website Studio sets a new standard for landing page design, providing a faster, more flexible approach for marketing teams without relying on developers or templates. Search Atlas empowers businesses with advanced SEO, PPC, and AI-powered solutions to drive growth. Lexaria Bioscience Corp announces closing of $3.5 million registered direct offering priced at the market under NASDAQ rules. Lexaria Bioscience Corp has closed a $3.5 million registered direct offering under NASDAQ rules. The offering consisted of 261,600 shares of common stock priced at $1.315 per share. Additionally, the company issued unregistered warrants to purchase the same number of shares with an exercise price of $1.19 per share. H.C. Wainwright & Co. acted as the exclusive placement agent for the offering. The net proceeds will be used for research and development, working capital, and general corporate purposes. The shares were offered under a shelf registration statement, and the warrants were issued in a private placement. Lexaria's Dehydratech technology improves drug delivery through oral means, with 56 patents granted worldwide.
Tech Media Breaks NextPlat Corp, NXPLW, expands IoT portfolio through Telit-Centurion agreement. NextPlat Corp, a global consumer products and services company, has expanded its IoT product portfolio through a new agreement with Telit-Centurion. This agreement allows NextPlat's global Telesat Communications Elite subsidiary to offer advanced 5G connectivity alongside existing satellite and terrestrial offerings. This expansion enables NextPlat to provide broader service capabilities across various IoT markets, including manufacturing, agriculture, transport, logistics, energy, and utilities. The company can now deliver secure, scalable connectivity solutions to customers in over 150 countries. NextPlat aims to optimize e-commerce presence and revenue for businesses worldwide through acquisitions, joint ventures, and collaborations. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at the provided URL.
Mission IR News Breaks. Massimo Group, MUMO, plans 2026 introduction of Sentinel 1500 utility task vehicle with enclosed cab and HVAC. Massimo Group, a manufacturer and distributor of power sports and electric vehicles, announced plans to introduce the Sentinel 1500 utility task vehicle in the first quarter of 2026. The Sentinel 1500 will feature a fully enclosed factory cab with integrated heating and air conditioning, designed for year-round operation. This next-generation vehicle will come in a 4-door crew configuration with seating for up to 6 passengers, powered by a 4-cylinder 1499cc engine platform. Massimo Group is advancing its product development strategy with in-house HVC engineering to support future platform expansion. For more information, visit the company's newsroom online. Defense news breaks. NUBURU Inc., NYS American BORU, secures $23.25 million financing to advance defense and security platform strategy. NUBURU Inc. has secured $23.25 million in financing to advance its defense and security platform strategy. The company entered into a securities purchase agreement with YA2PN Ltd., providing gross proceeds in exchange for a $25 million unsecured debenture and associated warrant packages. This financing will support NUBURU's transformation into a vertically integrated defense and security platform, including acquisition and integration initiatives across defense-grade laser and photonic systems, mission-critical software, advanced UAV platforms, and specialized defense mobility solutions. Founded in 2015, NUBURU is expanding into defense tech, security, and critical infrastructure resilience sectors under the leadership of Executive Chairman and co-CEO Alessandro Zamboni. For more information, visit www.nuburu.net. Beyond the Tangled Web, how SPARC AI Inc., SPI OF, solves the battlefield problem. Fiber optic drones created. SPARC AI Inc. has developed GPS-free navigation and targeting technology to solve the issue of hazardous cable webs left by fiber optic drones on battlefields. Their recent Strike One drone acquisition and pixel-level geolocation capability position them as a software-first alternative in contested environments. While fiber optic drones have been essential for evading electronic warfare, they have created a new problem of dangerous tactical obstacles with their physical tethers. SPARC AI's software-only solutions eliminate the need for physical dependencies, allowing drones to navigate autonomously without leaving battlefield debris. To learn more about SPARC AI Inc. and their innovative technology, visit their newsroom.
Strategic Metals and Nevada's Mining Renaissance, why Fairchild Gold Corp, FAIR, FCHDF, is positioned for America's next resource cycle. Fairchild Gold Corp is strategically positioned for America's next resource cycle with recent acquisitions in Nevada. Nevada Titan in Good Springs District showed grades up to 34% copper. Carlin Queen acquisition is at the Carlin, Trend, Midas, Hollister corridor intersection. Golden Arrow acquisition adds a historic resource metric of 12,172,000 million tons, averaging 0.24 ozt per ton AO and 0.33 art ton AEG. America's resource landscape is shifting, with Nevada becoming a focal point for strategic metals. Federal agencies are now taking equity stakes in U.S. projects and prioritizing critical minerals. Nevada ranks second globally for mining investment attractiveness. For more information, visit rocksandstocks.news.
China to block substandard EV exports. Starting in 2026, China is set to block substandard electric vehicle exports starting in 2026 to restore confidence in Chinese cars sold overseas. Concerns about quality and accountability have led to this decision. This move will level the playing field for companies like Massimo Group, NASDAMO, in terms of quality. GreenCarStocks is a specialized platform focusing on electric vehicles and the green energy sector, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.